Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Check the app version and operating system so restoration uses compatible logic. Make a quick backup of existing lock settings and write down your recovery email or phone. This prevents being locked out later. Grant the app device admin or equivalent permissions. This is required for full restore functionality. Once done, open the app, choose Restore, and select your backup file or cloud account. Make sure to stay on Wi-Fi to avoid interrupted downloads. Once you pick the right backup file, verify its timestamp and size so you don't overwrite current profiles with an old one. Tap Restore and accept each permission prompt, storage, contacts, and administrator, because the app needs them to recreate locked items and settings. If you use cloud storage, authenticate the account and allow the app to fetch data. Keep the device awake and avoid switching apps. If there's an option to merge versus replace, choose Merge when you want to preserve newer items. After restoration, test the locks on 2 or 3 apps immediately to confirm rules and exceptions transferred correctly. Reconfigure biometric scans or PINs if the app didn't reapply them automatically. This step restores quick access. If something fails, don't panic. Clear the app cache, reboot the device, and retry the restore from the same backup file. If errors persist, export logs or take screenshots and contact support, because that information speeds diagnosis and prevents.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.